Okay, so we've got everything assembled up on the top. We've walked the dog bone down. We're checking everything. We're making sure the springs are set down where they need to go. And that everything looks good. All the rockers look good. Everything's ready to go. So got the axle. I like to test the axle. So, you know, again, this is raw, so I'm not greasing it up. If I grease it up, it'll slide right through here. So that axle's in. Rocker bolt goes, the axle bolt goes in. And that's it. That sucker sits right down in there. Come here, tighten that sucker up. Make sure we like how all that goes together. And
just a bump.
That's it. Not too tight.
Let's take it out of there.
So we're gonna take it out of the vise now.
You got it?
Yep. Just loosen that. That's one short little springer, but this is a very special project. So there's your dog bone on top and your springs. Everything looks good. So the last step is just to put the tree on, make sure everything fits nice. Tree is threaded on the underside. You can see I've got the stem up through the hole. Tree sits right down on the legs. Comes up from the bottom. Spins right in. And I like to just kind of get it up on there. And then the top bolts are here, threaded. They go right down. You see that? You see those holes there? So they go right down through those holes. And if they're good, they should just spin right down in by hand. Get those down. Put the other one down. Right there.
So one thing you don't want to do here is tighten your top nuts.
Yep.
Before you tighten your stem.
Yep. So you get your stem good and tight, and then
come in and do your top nuts.
And that's when you're putting it on the bike. For now, I'm just making sure everything bumps up snug. And that is it. That is one assembled springer right there. You can see that pretty nice.
All right.
That's 3-2 Choppers Redneck Springer assembly. Thanks, guys. See you next time.